Shellac is a gel polish. Gel is a very broad term. So first, when you were looking at all these products, they're all acrylics. So acrylic first, the reason why it was called acrylic, because it's an acrylate. And first, it came in a liquid and powder. So you had to mix it in order to get like a gel kind of consistency, and you put it on the nails and it would harden. So that was acrylic, okay? But really it's liquid and powder. Then they basically pre-mixed the liquid and powder, and they got like a medium consistency, which is a gel. So it's also an acrylic, belongs to the acrylic family, but it's a gel version. So liquid and powder, and then you have gel. Now, initially gels were very hard, just like acrylic, very brittle, very hard, very strong. So then, as you have the gel family, you had hard gels. First, when gels came on the market, they were hard gels. So you had to build with them, because if you put them on very thin, they would just shatter. So then gels that were more flexible came on the market, and you were able to soak them off because they were more porous. So, and because of that, they had more flexibility. So then you had soft gels. And then a genius came up with the idea of mixing pigments with those gels, and they became color gels. Now you can have color gels in hard gels and in soft gels. And now someone thought, you know what, let's mix some solvents into those color gels, into those soft color gels, and we'll put it in a bottle, and then it can be polished in a very thin coat, because the flexibility gives it some strength, like it doesn't crack. So these were called gel polishes because they came in a bottle, and they were supposed to mimic the look of a nail polish. So you would apply them like in coats, because with the gels and acrylic, you would build the nail, then you had to shape it, and then you have to put some kind of polish on, because they were colorless. So the gel polishes came on the market. The first was actually gelish, I think. But then around the same year, C&D came out with their shellac. So shellac is a name of a product made by C&D. C&D is a big brand. So shellac, yes, it's a gel, but it's really a gel polish, and all of it is acrylic. So that's how it is.